This is the red watermark, and I want to remove this from the text. I will try with the brush tool to remove this watermark. Okay, let's check the result together. Wow, cool! I love this wearing. Nice. Okay, we see that the red watermark was removed, but also the text will lost too. Okay, one more way. That is quickly and it's faultless. So first, you need to go to Select at the top side to cut the selection. And next, click Coloring. And after, it will show the small dialog box. You can choose the red color and click OK. Now, selection is selected on the watermark. And next, you need to go to Select and click on Modify and click Expand. And in box, I need File. Finish, click OK. In the last step, you need to go to Image and click Adjustment. Choose black and white color, this button. And adjust the size and still remove the red watermark from the document. The same example here. I do this because I just want to remove only red color. And finish, click OK. Okay, the first result, I think that my red watermark removed from my document, but also it's still some blur. We can use brush tool to paint the white colors on this document. Click on color and choose white. And finish, click OK. Okay, now ready remove the watermark from this document. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.